Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my lecture video. Okay, so in this lecture video, I will show you on how to resolve a force when we are given an angle. Okay, so please refer to this force here. Okay, so we have force F here. Okay, and we want to resolve it to Fx and Fy using this angle theta here. Okay, so to resolve this one, okay, we can use either F cos theta or F sin theta. We can use either one. So which one to use? Okay, so I will show you the very simple way on how to choose either F cosine theta or F sin theta. Okay, so let's imagine first. Okay, let's imagine that our F here, this F, and also this Fx here, okay, as a foot tong. So what is foot tong? This one, okay, foot tong. Okay, so let's imagine, okay, Fx. So this F here, okay, this one, our F, and also our Fx. This one, okay, just like a foot tong. Okay, and then let's imagine our angle here, this one, as an egg. Oh, egg. Okay. Okay lah, this is an egg Okay, egg this one Okay, egg. Okay, egg. Okay. So this one is F and this one is Fx. Okay. Let's say we want to resolve our F here. Okay, resolve our F to Fx. Okay, resolve our F to Fx. F to Fx. So when we do like this, okay, F to Fx here, and we have an egg, okay, at the center here, okay, in the middle of F and Fx here. So what will happen to this egg here when we do like this? Okay. So this egg will be crushed. Okay. So when we want to move from here to here, okay, so our egg here will be crushed. Okay. So means that when we want to calculate Fx, okay, Fx here is equals to F crush. So this one is cosine theta. This one. Okay. Crush. So we use cosine theta. That's it. Okay. So what if we want to resolve this one? Okay, this F here into y direction. This one. Okay, this direction. Okay, this Fy here. Okay, so from this position, we want to move this F here into Y. Okay, from here to Y. What will happen to this egg here? This egg will be saved. Okay, so when we move to Fy here, our egg here will be saved. Okay, so when it is saved, means that to calculate Fy is F sin theta. This one. So save here is represented by this sign here. Okay. So again, so very simple. So when you are given an angle like this, okay, let's say you have an angle like this. So we have a force like this. When we want to resolve this force into x direction, so let's look at the angle. Okay, we want to crush the angle or we want to save the angle. So if we want to crush the angle, means that we use F cosine theta. Okay, when we have an angle here and we want to resolve this force into y direction, okay, what will happen to the angle? The angle will be saved. So we use sin theta. Okay, very easy. Okay, let's do some exercise. Okay, let's see whether our crush and save method is correct or not. Okay, so let's say we have a force. Okay, let's say we have this force, Okay, let's remove everything first lah. Okay, remove everything first. Okay, this one. Let's say we have a force here is equals to 200 Newton. Okay, and our angle here is 30 degree. Okay, so to calculate Fx, so because we have angle here, so means that when we want to resolve this F to Fx, means that we want to crush the angle. Okay, so to crush the angle, therefore Fx is equals to 200 and then cos 30 degree. Okay, so let's calculate the value. 200 cos 30 degree. And the value is 173.21 Newton. Okay, so what about Fy? So Fy here, okay, when we want to resolve our F to Y direction, so what will happen to the angle? Okay, the angle will be saved, so we use sine. Okay, so Fy here is 200 sine 30, so this one is equals to 100 Newton. 100 Newton. Okay, as simple as that. Very easy. Okay, let's try to change the position of our angle. Okay, so if we have our angle here is 30, okay, so means that our angle here is supposed to be 60 degree. Correct? Okay, so let's remove this 30 degree. Okay, and we want to remove below here also. Okay, so now the angle here we change from 30 here and then we change to 60 here. Okay, so let's use the same method, which is crush or save method. Okay, so when we have the angle is 60 degree, okay, when we want to calculate Fx, so Fx is equals to, so again, angle here is above here. Okay, so means that when we want to resolve this F into Fx, okay, the angle here will not be crushed, the angle will be safe. So means that Fx is equals to 200 safe, so because it is safe, so 200 sine 60 degree. So let's calculate 200 sine 60 degree. What's the value? Same, okay, same with this one, so which is 173.21 Newton. Okay, so what about Fy? So Fy is equals to 200 sine or cosine. Let's look at it again. So we have a force here and we want to resolve to Y direction here, so we will crush the angle. So when we crush the angle, means that we use cosine. So cosine 60, and the value is same like above, which is 100 Newton. Very easy. Correct? Okay. So what makes this really helpful is that when you are given, okay, just like this force here, and the direction of the force is slightly different than usual. Okay, for example, like this one. Okay, this one, okay, I can see that many students struggle, okay, to find or to use the correct sine or cosine when we are given this kind of force and this kind of angle, like this one. Okay, this one, this angle here. In this kind of situation, okay, I can see that many students is struggling to use sine or cosine correctly. So when we are already learn about crush or save method, it will make things very easier for us. Okay, so let's look at this one. Okay, Fy. So this one is Fy. So to calculate Fy, okay, is equals to, again, because we have F here, and we want to resolve it to Fy, so means that we will crush this angle. Therefore, Fy is equals to F cos angle theta. That's it. As easy as that. Okay? So, remember the crush and safe method to resolve a force when you are given an angle. Okay? So, if you have any question, feel free to ask me. See you again in the next lecture video. Bye bye.